Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Volvo XC60. First, make sure your key fob is securely inside the car, perhaps in your pocket or the center console. Next, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. Finally, locate the start knob on the dashboard and twist it clockwise. Hold it briefly until the engine fully engages. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, ensuring a smooth start every time. Your Volvo XC60 relies on the key fob signal to start. If the car doesn't respond, first check that the key fob is actually inside the vehicle and not left outside. If you're experiencing intermittent starting issues, it might be time to replace the key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent the car from recognizing the fob, leading to starting problems. It's a simple fix that can save you a lot of hassle. If your Volvo XC60 still won't start, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, verify that the car's main battery isn't dead. A jump start might be needed. Also, confirm the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral, as the car won't start in other positions. If warning lights appear, consult your owner's manual for their specific meanings. These checks can often resolve common starting dilemmas quickly. Beyond the basic start, you can also access accessory mode by pressing the start knob without the brake, powering electronics without starting the engine. If the car struggles to start, avoid continuously cranking the engine for more than 10 seconds to prevent damage to the starter motor. Give it a moment before trying again. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.